Now it's time to unquartz the Seth Thomas wall clock from the mid-70s. I did find the correct hands that were on my grandparents. It came with some different looking hands. That's just finger tightened, so that's awesome. Makes removal a little easier. Alright, we're getting the quartz movement out. Maybe. That's stuck in there pretty good. I guess somebody has put two-sided tape on it or something. Probably stuck out a little too far. See how this one fits. I think that's going to do. While that is apart, I'm going to go ahead and wipe that down. I'm just going to use some glass cleaner. Tidied that up, and then let's put some Novus on it. Shine it up a little bit with some Novus. Then buff it out. Let it dry a second and buff it out. Nice and smooth. Now set the replacement movement in, the anti-quartz movement. And that is not going to fit. I'm going to have to drill that hole out a little bigger. Yep. I'm going to have to drill that hole out just a little bigger. I will come back when that's done. So quite a while later, a lot of customization. I've got it temporarily mounted. I've got to find a nut this size that's about that thick, so I'll have to make a trip to the hardware store. I've got it tacked in with hot glue right now, but again, that's just temporary until I get the proper mounting nut. See, the clock movement is running, and that's what it looks like from the front. I don't know if the microphone will pick this sound up, but we'll try. Those were awesome movements. I really like these. I had forgotten all about them until just recently. but it seems to be keeping time. I'll continue to let it run and adjust if necessary. I went to the hardware store today and got these 2 pieces of hardware for the Seth Thomas clock so I can finish that up. It's been up for 1 day now. It's absolutely keeping perfect time. There's that one. Right at 7:09. 7:09, so we're in good shape. There's a look at that hardware I put on there. That finishes it out pretty nicely. I'm thinking I'm going to paint this cap black. I think it would look much better painted black. But that's for a round 2 day. Get it set just right. That ought to work. So we'll put this into service and give it a little closer look. And here's where it will live. Right above the Seiko. Another day, and I believe I'm going to call this mid-70s Seth Thomas clock completed. I found another nut for the hands and painted it black, and I believe that looks quite a bit better than the brass one that was on there. It's keeping absolutely wonderful time. So once again, this has been refurbishing a childhood clock that was like the one in my grandparents' house. Thank you for watching.